the street. Know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think be the bill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some items that I won in a giveaway during Vlogmas. So I don't know if you guys are familiar, but I follow a beauty vlogger, a beauty guru by the name of DIANA&JOSEVLOG. So Saldana, and she has a very popular YouTube channel. Her main channel has about 500,000 subscribers, or maybe even 1 million, and then she has a vlog channel that she shares with her fiance Jose, and they have about 60,000 subscribers. So they're super popular, and I absolutely love them. I discovered their vlog channel first and fell in love with it. They are a beautiful couple. They have a little dog, so I just really like them. So during Vlogmas, she was doing a giveaway where every day during Vlogmas, all 25 days, someone would win this combination package. So I entered hopeful that I would win, and I did. I won day 3 of the giveaway. So I received my package today, and it's so bomb, y'all. I've already opened it, but I will kind of give you guys a sneak peek of what it looked like. So yeah, this is all the stuff that she sent me. It is overflowing, y'all. The value of this package is over $130. So I just want to thank you, Diana, for picking me and sending me these items, and I'm so grateful. I will use everything, and I just want to say thank you. So if y'all watch me frequently, y'all know I'm not the biggest makeup person, which is another reason why this giveaway attracted me, because I thought possibly if I could win this giveaway, I could use these items to start working on my craft and perfecting it. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into it, show you guys what she sent me, and yeah, so let's get right into it. I will kind of give you guys a sneak peek of what it looked like. So yeah, this is all the stuff that she sent me. It is overflowing, y'all. The value of this package is over $130. So I just want to thank you, Diana, for picking me and sending me these items, and I'm so grateful. I will use everything, and I just want to say thank you. So if y'all watch me frequently, y'all know I'm not the biggest makeup person, which is another reason why this giveaway attracted me, because I thought possibly if I could win this giveaway, I could use these items to start working on my craft and perfecting it. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right into it, show you guys what she sent me, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So I got a huge box full of goodies, and the very first thing that I was sent is the Pore Professional. It's a pore primer by Benefit, and it's a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. So this is the very first thing that I received in my package. This retails for about $13 freaking, and I'm just so grateful to have received it. So this is the first thing. Now I'll go ahead and open it up so y'all can see the packaging. So this is what it looks like, and it is a primer. And it's by Benefit. I've heard really good things about Benefit. I think that she stated this was her favorite primer. Everything in the box that she sent are her favorite beauty things. So that's another reason why these were hand-picked and hand-selected by her, because they're her favorites. The next thing I did receive was the Jouer powder highlight, and it's in the color Citrine. And this packaging is just so pretty. Like, y'all know I love everything gold, so this is really pretty. And this retails for about $24. It is long wear, paraben-free, gluten-free, and it's also dermatologist tested. So this is a highlighter, and again, I don't really wear makeup, so I'm excited to have received a highlighter. And this is what it looks like. Y'all look at that. That is so freaking pretty. So yeah, I received that highlighter, which is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to try it. And I'm also going to be watching like tutorials and YouTube videos to see exactly how to apply these things, because again, I don't use, when I do my makeup, it's very basic. So yeah. The next thing that I received was this Real Techniques Drape and Color 6 Essential to use with lip and cheek makeup kit. And it is another Real Technique by Sam and Nick combo. So this is what this looks like. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I'm very blessed and fortunate to have received all this stuff, because this stuff is freaking expensive. So the fact that I was one of the people that won the giveaway, I'm just very excited about it. And in this kit, you get 4 brushes, a beauty blender, and a mirror. And on the back, it shows you how you can use everything and what you're supposed to do with everything. And this has a $41 value, as you see right there. So I did get this kit. In here you have the base, the eyes, and the finish. So basically with this you can do a little bit of everything, and this is a limited edition set. The next thing that I received in my box was this amazing 12 sponge ultimate sponge collection set, and it's also by Real Techniques. And in this kit you get 12 sponges, beauty blenders, and they really assist you and help you get that dewy full coverage look. So yeah, on the back of this it has every sponge that you get, and then it tells you how you should use it. This is sold only at Ulta, and it's a $71 value. So basically each sponge is used for something different. So as you look on the back, each day you can either try it out, or you know, you can just look and see what you're trying to do and then pick that sponge. I'm definitely going to use this a lot. I'm not sure if I'm going to do like 1 sponge a day or kind of just pick out what I need, but I am so excited about this because it's also limited edition and a lot of people were not able to get this. So yeah, this is so awesome. The last thing that I received in my box is a hoodie, and Diana and Jose actually were super excited about this item in particular because it was hand designed by her and him, or maybe just her. Like, she hand designed this, and she made this very unique. A lot of people can't get this, and it was just special for her to have created this, and I feel special to have received it. So it is a sweatshirt, and as you can see, it has some eyelashes and lips on it, and it's in the color white. She did send me a size large, so I'm so happy about that because that's actually my size. But it feels really good. The material is really nice, and it's just really cute. Like, it's a really cute sweatshirt for anybody, especially like beauty gurus and makeup girls. So yeah, I really like that. And the last thing in my box, of course, was a card, and the card is really cute, and it just says thank you. Like I said, this was a giveaway that was hosted during Vlogmas so that all her subscribers could feel appreciated. So I'm just very happy. The inside says happy holidays XOXO Diana and Jose. So super nice. I love everything that I received. I cannot wait to try these things. And if y'all want to see me like do a video with the primer and the highlighter and the brushes or the sponges, go ahead, leave it down below and comment for me. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and make sure that y'all go check out Diana's channel and also Diana and Jose's vlog channel, because like I said, they are so cool. They seem so nice, and if y'all like watching vlogs, then I think y'all would love them because they're like in LA. They go a lot of places, so we're able to see a lot of things through their eyes. So yeah, they're awesome. And also, if y'all watched that video about that Miranda Fry jewelry that I did, Diana, I watched her. She's the one that kind of put me on that jewelry. So yeah, but thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for stopping by. And if you have any comments, leave them down below. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video, reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces.
Ooh, these expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable.